best uTorrent settings to speed up your downloads in 2023. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated for new uploads. So to speed up your download in uTorrent, so first we have to go and open our uTorrent. And then what we would do is click on the options tab here and go to preferences. And once you are in the preferences, let us go to connections and make sure that enable UPnP port mapping and enable NATPnP port mapping are checked. So make sure that these two are checked. And then what we're going to do is go to bandwidth and make sure that the values here are 0. And for global maximum number of connections is 2 to 30. And number of connected pairs per torrent is 250. And then number of upload slots per torrent is 14. So those are the values that you need to input. And after that, go to queuing. So you must have the 8 value here in maximum number of active torrents. And then 200 in the minimum ratio percentage. And go to advanced. As you can see, there is a BT connected speed that should be changed to 80. So those are the things, and you can check if the connection of your torrent has improved. So thank you for watching.